the Remove option from Multiselect Property. With this app, you can instantly remove one or multiple values from any Multiselect property. Hi everyone! Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Remove option from Multiselect Property app for HubSpot. If you've ever had to clean up Multiselect properties inside HubSpot, you know how time-consuming it can be, removing one value at a time manually. Well, not anymore. With this app, you can instantly remove one or multiple values from any Multiselect property without editing each record manually. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the app after installing the app. Open your HubSpot account and go to Settings Connected Apps. Here you'll see the Remove option from Multiselect Property app listed. If you're using the app for the first time, you'll be prompted to connect your HubSpot portal. Just click Connect, authorize access, and the app will automatically load your Multiselect properties. Step 2. Use the app inside Workflows. This is a workflow action app. So let's set it up inside a workflow. Go to Automation Workflows, create a new workflow. You can select any object type, contact, company, deal, ticket, or even custom objects. Click Add Action, search for Remove option from Multiselect Property, select the action. Step 3. Configure the action. Now choose object type, for example, contacts. The app will show all available Multiselect property inside that object. Select the target Multiselect property. To edit, choose the values you want to remove. The app will show all available values inside that property. Just select the one you want to remove, and you're done. Once you save and publish the workflow, the selected option will be removed for every record entering the workflow or specific records you manually enroll. Verify changes after the workflow runs. You can go back to your property settings or check individual records to confirm the value has been removed successfully. Your Multiselect property is now updated and clean automatically. If you found this tool helpful, please consider leaving us a review on the HubSpot app marketplace. It really helps us. Need help or want to request features? Reach out to our support team anytime via the dashboard or from our website. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.